So you inherited a piece of real estate. Now what? Hi, I'm Mark Stiles of Stiles Law down here at Studio B. So you inherited a piece of real estate. You were granted property in a will. Now what? Well, regardless of whether you want to sell that property right away or not, your first call is to your real estate professional. And what you want to find out is, what is the value of the property? Now, we're not saying looking at a gift horse in the mouth. What we're saying is there might be serious tax consequences based on what the value is. Currently, our tax code allows what is called a step-up in basis. That means it doesn't matter when the deceased person purchased the house. For purposes of capital gains, the basis is stepped up to the date of death. So it's important that we have on the record what that value was. So your real estate professional can generate a document called a CMA, a Comparative Market Analysis, to tell you what the value is. Keep that in your folder regardless of when you sell the property. Now, the next person you're going to want to contact is a probate attorney. We have a team of attorneys at Stiles Law that handle probate administration. More than likely, there's going to be something that needs to be done with the title. Now, even if that person was super proactive and had an amazing estate plan, there will be a need to review all of the documents so that you understand what you have. Now, assuming that probate attorney is part of a team that also has a real estate attorney, you want to have a title exam conducted. You want to know, is there a mortgage on the property? Is there a reverse mortgage on the property? Was the mortgage in forbearance? And a title exam will help with the overall understanding of what needs to be done. Now, when speaking with title, you also want to determine whether the deceased person had a title insurance policy. And if not, now that you're taking ownership, you want to think about purchasing an owner's policy of title insurance. And finally, did you inherit that property individually or with other folks? Are there siblings involved? Do some of the siblings want to sell the property and others not? Well, this is where the business lawyer would get involved, because this is a business. You are going into business with your siblings, the business of owning real estate together. There's a lot of things that need to be considered, and they should be put in writing. How are the carrying costs going to be handled? What about the maintenance and repairs? What happens if somebody dies? What happens if somebody gets divorced? All of this can be proactively handled with a business attorney, such as Brian Lynch. But what if one of the siblings wants to be bought out right away? Well, then you call your mortgage professional, and that person will facilitate a loan that allows the siblings who want to continue to own it to take money out of the property and pay off the sibling who doesn't. Folks, there's a lot there to digest. We understand that, but we're here to help. If you ever find yourself in this situation or any other, I'm available to strategize on my Calendly link, calendly.com/mstiles. My time is already blocked, and when you schedule that time, I will call you. I hope this was helpful. I hope you'll think about sharing this with everyone and anyone, and subscribing to our YouTube channel here at Stiles Law. But always remember, when you're working with a financial professional, tax professional, real estate professional, or mortgage professional, and the topic of legal services comes up, tell them that you want to be introduced to the team at Stiles Law. Thank you, and be well.